Looking for a wholesome, flavor-packed meal that's easy to make and sure to impress? Try these baked tuna cabbage rolls, stuffed with savory tuna, rolled in tender cabbage leaves, and baked over a rich tomato base. To top it off, we serve it with crispy grilled bread slices and melted cheese, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes for a colorful, mouth-watering finish. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a potluck party, this recipe is a must-try. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add ginger and chopped onions to the hot pan. Add green chilies. Add tuna. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add grated carrot. Cook for 5 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add tomato sauce. Add sliced cheese. Add the tuna filling onto the steamed cabbage and roll it. Add grilled bread. Add steamed broccoli. Add cheddar cheese. Add sliced cherry tomatoes. Add more cheddar cheese. Add pesto. Bake for 7 minutes. And there you have it, flavorful tuna stuffed cabbage rolls, baked to perfection, and paired with crispy grilled bread and veggies. This dish is not only hearty and satisfying, but also packed with protein and nutrients. Whether you're cooking for your family, or just treating yourself to a healthy dinner, this recipe is a winner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes every week. See you next time.